Good morning, YouTube. Limey Pipe Smoker here, and today he has a cold. Not good stuff. This morning is my Peterson 303 rustic with a P-lip stem. Very pleased with this pipe. £45 well spent, I think. I'm smoking out of it. Peterson's luxury blend. A nice tobacco, I think. Not too heavy. In fact, it's a very cool and sweet tobacco. It's aromatic, I do believe. It's the sort I would take to the pub now, because it doesn't bite. Not that I've noticed yet. It doesn't bite. It smells quite nice, and you can pass it around, and people will probably enjoy it. As opposed to taking my old Dublin to the pub and giving everybody tongue bite for the rest of the evening. Left and right. So, you were promised a video on the Peterson 303. I'm hoping this is it. Had about a week now. It is a pleasure to smoke, I'm not going to lie. It is one I save for special occasions. So, you know, get home from work. If I want a really quick smoke, I'll probably go for one of my budget pipes. Or I'd use my meerschaum. This is one I sort of save for the evening, I think, because it is a nice pipe. It's one that you can sit back and take your time on. And it's just a very... I can't really put it any other way. It's a lovely pipe. It's got the P-lip, again, like I said. A little bit awkward to get used to if you're like me, and used to, like, let me just move the camera because I've actually got to hold it because I'm using my phone again. If you're like me and you're used to fishtails, it does take a little bit of getting used to. And somebody asked me today, would I get when I replace the stem, would I get a fishtail? I would probably say no, because to me, the P-lip is the Peterson, to be honest. It makes it as cool, you know, it makes it a cool pipe. And for me, it does reduce tongue bite. So about this pipe, it is quite light in the hand, and when it's in the mouth, which I quite like. I don't like things that are going to hang very heavy. Quite a comfortable fit as well. You know, you can just leave it in there, and you know, chances are you're going to forget it's there. I do. That's why I try and keep hold of it. Maintenance-wise, it's quite easy to look after. You know, just have to scrub out the reservoir. You put a bit of chapstick on the stem. Give it a polish once in a while. Lovely. As you know, I'm a wet smoker, so the Peterson system is quite good for me because it means I don't get any dottles, so there's no waste. Always sweet. Always cool, just like Peterson say. Love it. I do recommend this pipe. I really do. Beginners, people who've never tried it, people who have been smoking pipes a while and never tried a Peterson, or at least a Peterson system pipe. I've also found it doesn't heat up as much as my other pipes, even my meerschaum. It takes ages to get this pipe hot. I can sit there puffing like a train, and it won't get hot, and when it does get hot, you know you really are pushing it. So, you know, to sort of ease off a bit. But I really do like this pipe. I can't really put it in. All I can really say is try it. It's 45 quid plus postage. Don't like it, put it on eBay. And I will probably buy it. As one of my subscribers pointed out, I am getting pipe acquisition disorder. I acquired another pipe. Wasn't actually bought this time. It was sort of found in a house clearance. It turns out to be some lady's late husband's pipe, and we told her that I'd found it, and it was in the hands of another pipe smoker, and she seemed quite pleased. So I'm going to smoke that on very special occasions. It's quite enough. It's about 40, maybe 50 years old, and it's the guy's only pipe. And he smoked it so much it's actually started to burn into the wood. There's bits of wood missing on the inside. So I've got to get that caked up. Yeah, it's quite a nice little pipe. Peterson's Peterson's lovely. Oh, I think the postman's coming. Anyway, that's me done for today. I'm sure you'll have the joy of more uploads from me ranting and raving. Yeah, so in the meantime, happy smoking, and if you haven't tried a Peterson pipe, try it. You might like it. Well, you probably will. So, lonely pipe smoker. Good day.